Hello, and welcome to this short video on the 20-inch C-stand riser column. The 20-inch C-stand riser is a steel replacement column that comes with KUPO's 20-inch master C-stand with turtle-based kit. It features a solid steel industry standard junior 1 1/8 inch mounting pin on the bottom, and the steel baby 5/8 inch mounting pin on top. The column comes with aluminum brake castings and stainless steel helicoil inserts to protect the castings from the solid steel tension bolts. This 20-inch column weighs in at 7.1 pounds. Collapsed, it measures 27.1 inches. Extended, it measures 57.9 inches. The 20-inch C-stand riser column comes in silver or a stealthy black powder coat. Let's mount this 20-inch column into our KUPO runway base and top it off with the KUPO tether mate for the perfect rolling laptop platform. First, spread the legs of the runway base apart until they lock in place. Insert the junior pin of the 20-inch column into the junior receiver in the runway base and tighten the knob clockwise until snug. Mount the tether mate on the baby pin and tighten the set screw until secure. Finally, place your laptop on the tether mate and you are ready to roll. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at KUPO, we like to say, never let go.